Hello, and thank you for joining me on today's video blog. I'm Stephen Pilkington with the Path Home team. So thank you and welcome to today's video blog. On today's blog, we're going to discuss, what's the difference between home maintenance and home improvement, and how can you make home maintenance easy? How can you hit that easy button? So very often I encounter homeowners, most often people who are looking to sell, and they may have a list of home maintenance items, or maybe they address some home maintenance items and they want to get value for those home maintenance items, such as their furnace broke and they put a new one in. And they say, well, I've improved my furnace. Well, yes and no. So from a home improvement standpoint, we typically look at, did you improve the cosmetics of the property? Now, every property needs a furnace that works. And if your furnace died and you replaced it with a much better furnace, that is definitely a value. Yet, it may not necessarily be a dollar for dollar value to what you're going to get back on selling the property. Where you may have kind of older cabinets and a beat up kitchen and kitchen appliances that are just kind of okay, and you decide to do a beautiful renovation and remodel. Well, that's home improvement. That's going to give you fantastic value. Though again, speak to one of us, speak to somebody who's a professional for your neighborhood to let you know how much to improve and what not to improve. So now that we've covered a little bit about the difference between home improvement and home maintenance, how do we make home maintenance simple? Now, if you're like myself, if you're like a lot of our clients, you bought a home and now you realize you've got a lot to do to take care of it. And we can make that simple. And in the technology age today, there's a lot of fantastic apps that are out there that can remind you that when you need to change your furnace filter, when you need to go ahead and get that sprinkler system blown out, when you might want to even wash your windows if you want that regularly done, when you should get your chimney cleaned out if you use your chimney. And while I don't endorse any one of these apps specifically, they're all ones that I found had positive reviews and we've heard some great stuff about. So that list that I have for you today is Home Savvy, Bright Nest, the Home Depot app, HomeZada, iFixit, and Instructionables. Those are 6 great apps that you can get on timelines that will pop up and remind you when you need to do stuff. If you have some ideas about improvements you might want to make, it could even lay out what the potential cost is going to be, how long it might take. So take advantage of some of these apps out there. Get yourself on that easy button, take the brain power out of it, spend a little time up front to create that list and schedule, and even get some friendly reminders and some things that you may not have thought of. And I hope this helps you have a much more enjoyable experience as a homeowner and keeping up with the maintenance on that property. So I hope you found value in today's video blog. If you did, please comment below. And if you didn't, that's fantastic too. And we'd love to know your comments. We'd love to know any suggestions you have to make this better moving forward. And until the next blog, thank you for showing up today and have yourself a fantastic day.